When you're a brand who launches at most 2 smartphones a year, it gets rather tough to be in the news throughout, that too for the right reasons, unless you're OnePlus. So what's the formula to keep the buzz going? Maybe a software update with some new features? Not quite enough. So if software isn't the way to go, then it's gotta be the exterior, right? Of course. Swap the chassis for one with a shiny new paint job and bingo, you've redeemed yourself. That exactly seems to be the strategy of OnePlus, at least since the OnePlus 5, and it doesn't seem any different this time either. Hey guys, this is Sumuk from TechPP, and what you just saw was a redundant, alright to cut the puns, an unboxing of the Red OnePlus 6, which by the way, if you think looks as dope as the stop motion you just saw, maybe consider giving this video a like, and while you're at it, you might want to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon next to it as well. And not to forget the card to our latest giveaway over here. Right now, let's dive deeper into OnePlus tin of paint. Let me be honest with y'all. The glossy red OnePlus 6 looks stunning. It's surely eye-catching and will grab a ton of attention if you do intend to risk using it naked or with the flimsy TPU case in the box, that is. While the front remains to be black for a seamless look, the glass back, which is still equally smudge prone as the mirror black, as well as the metallic frame around the device is now bright red. So is it just about the new product red? Oh sorry, that's Apple. So is it just about the new color? Let's assess OnePlus' strategy. All of us like variety, right? And OnePlus seems to be doing a fairly good job at it, at least on the looks front. Well, only if you got all of them at the time of the launch. While OnePlus might impress you with the marvelous, okay sorry, I know I said no more puns, Avengers Edition or our editor's favorite Silk White Edition which we unboxed a while back, it doesn't seem to provide these options just after the launch. While this might annoy a few early buyers who would love to get their hands on the color of their choice but had to settle for a mirror black due to time constraints, it's a great way for OnePlus to stay in the news, heck for as long as it wants to. Now imagine this, right? You're sitting in the OnePlus boardroom and you've just figured that your sales figures are slightly dipping. What do? You obviously can't release a new smartphone mid-cycle. Or wait, wasn't the 3T just that? Anyhow, just leave that for another day. So what's your best alternative? Get into the news, grab some screen time on YouTube, and how do you do that? Release the same smartphone in a different color, send review units to influencers and create some hype on social media, job half done. The advantage here is twofold. One, consumers now get an extra color option to choose from, which is always a welcome move. And of course, since OnePlus doesn't launch these new colors in their base variants, if you want a particular color, you might as well give in and get the higher storage variant even though you may not really need it. It's a win-win situation for OnePlus either way. Well, can't really blame OnePlus because ethically there's nothing really wrong with what they're doing. Unlike a certain other brand which hyped a revolutionary smartphone design, and we all know that expectation versus reality meme, don't we? Well, hope you enjoyed our short little attempt to make the unboxing stand out from the rest. And if you did, you know what to do, right? Let us know if you're getting the Red OnePlus 6. Oh wait, the 6T might be around the corner in a few months, right? Holding on for that? Let us know either way. And until next time, may the tech be with you.